Hey there, welcome to Luxefluent, where we will be sharing with you the latest trends in luxury and lifestyle. And for today's video, we will be talking about the top 10 mega projects to be completed this 2023. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated whenever we upload new videos. And that way, you can also be easily notified of any new content as they get released. With that said, let's begin. Number 1. The iconic tower, Egyptian Desert, Egypt. Egypt's prestigious track record in mega projects is exemplified by its remarkable desert skyscraper. Commencing construction in 2019 and reaching its peak in 2021 at a towering height of 393 meters, this structure claims the title of Africa's tallest building and served as the inaugural super tall skyscraper for the continent. The edifice holds a pivotal role as the focal point within Egypt's emerging business districts, situated in the nation's new administrative capital. In essence, Cairo, the capital city, has grappled with chronic overcrowding for numerous decades. In response, the government conceived a daring plan in 2015 to erect an entirely fresh city amidst the desert expanse. As the tower nears completion and prepares to open its doors in 2023, it stands as one of the 20 planned skyscrapers within the district, all of which are being constructed at an approximate cost of $3 billion. If these structures endure as long as their neighboring counterparts, the investment will likely prove its merit. Number 2. 308 Exhibition Streets, Melbourne, Australia. Check out the new additions to Melbourne skyline. Two gleaming skyscrapers at 308 Exhibition Street, connected by an exquisite sky bridge. Sky bridges have become a popular way to make towers stand out, and this particular gold-trimmed bridge is a stunning example. It links a residential tower and a hotel tower on the 46th floor, offering convenient access between the two. The construction process involved initially using wooden planks and a sturdy plywood deck, supported by a cantilever from the shorter building. Steel tendons were then installed, connecting the two towers, followed by pouring a concrete slab. A roof was added, creating the illusion of a ribbon gracefully wrapping around one floor of the apartment building and two floors of the hotel. To ensure flexibility, one side of the roof includes a movement joint, allowing the bridge to adapt during seismic activity and strong winds. Rest assured, the golden ribbon serves a purpose beyond aesthetics. Number 3. Las Vegas Grand Prix, Las Vegas, USA. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping event. The inaugural Las Vegas Formula 1 Grand Prix is set to take place this year. Brace yourself for the sight of lightning-fast cars zooming down the iconic Las Vegas Strip in November 2023. The 6.12-kilometer track will navigate through 17 corners, a chicane, and 3 high-speed streets, allowing drivers to reach mind-boggling speeds of up to 212 miles per hour. Organizing a race in a densely developed area like Las Vegas poses challenges, but safety remains a top priority. Construction crews are diligently working to keep the high-speed action confined to the racetrack, employing the use of 4,000 barriers, each weighing over 3.5 tons and composed of reinforced concrete. While Las Vegas typically experiences traffic congestion like any other major city, you can be certain that for a few days later this year, this will be one place without any traffic jams. Number 4. The MSG Sphere, Las Vegas, USA. Standing tall at over 100 meters and spanning nearly 160 meters in width, this colossal spherical structure claims the title of the largest of its kind worldwide. It is constructed by interconnecting 4 concrete cores using reinforced steel. Additionally, a network of tension ring beams support the remarkable 11,000-ton roof. However, creating a cinema screen with dimensions of 19,000 by 13,500 pixels presents its challenges. Recent reports indicate that the sphere's cost has surged to approximately $2.2 billion due to supply chain issues and inflation. Only time will tell if this ambitious venture proves to be a worthwhile investment. Number 5. Toranomon Azabudai District, Tokyo, Japan. In the vibrant Minato business area, the Toranomon Azabudai District emerges as a remarkable super development. Its aim is to establish a city within a city, featuring 3 immense mixed-use towers and a captivating public space landscape envisioned by Thomas Hedderwick. The impressive main tower, reaching a height of 325 meters, achieved 2 significant milestones in 2022 by becoming Japan's tallest building and Tokyo's inaugural super tall skyscraper. Unlike conventional skyscrapers that narrow towards the top, this structure maintains its expansive floor plate for most of its height. Considering Tokyo's seismic activity, the building is engineered to provide a secure haven, capable of accommodating occupants and allowing work to proceed even in the event of a magnitude 9 earthquake. Naturally, we hope such circumstances never arise. Instead, Mori, the developers, envision a harmonious district when it opens in 2023, where residents and workers can relish a well-balanced environment of soaring high-rise structures complemented by a serene park. This park will feature an enchanting undulating pergola, concealing gardens and courtyards within its folds. Before we continue, we would love to know which one of these projects are you most excited to be completed, and why? After that, let's get going. Number 6. Tun Razak Exchange, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. In pursuit of transforming Malaysia into a high-income country by 2020, the government devised a plan back in 2010. One integral aspect of this strategy materialized as the Tun Razak Exchange, the nation's inaugural international finance hub, drawing inspiration from renowned locations like London's Canary Wharf, Shanghai's Pudong, and Singapore's Marina Bay Sands. Spanning an ambitious 70-acre district, the Tun Razak Exchange encompasses approximately 2.5 million square feet of office space, a 2 million square foot mall, and nearly 4,000 homes. Unfortunately, the project faced significant setbacks due to the impact of COVID-19 and Malaysia's stringent movement control order, resulting in substantial construction delays. Nonetheless, in 2022, the completion of Exchange 106 marked Southeast Asia's tallest building, with 2 colossal residential blocks set to join it in 2023. The Core and TRX residences are progressing well alongside the Exchange TRX, a luxurious shopping mall and vibrant lifestyle hub, all poised to open soon. Number 7. Paris Aquatic Center, Paris, France. Sustainability takes center stage at the Paris 2024 Olympics, evident in the Aquatic Center slated for completion in 2023. Surprisingly, it is the only permanent structure erected for the Games. Stringent monitoring of energy consumption and strategic roof construction adhering to minimum height requirements while maintaining optimal sightlines are key elements. The aim is to create a compact space that demands less heating. Notably, 90% of the building's energy demands will be fulfilled by renewable or recovered sources, with a significant portion derived solely from the roof. This remarkable building truly makes a sustainable impact. Number 8. For Frankfurt, Frankfurt, Germany. Frankfurt's landscape is set to transform with the introduction of For Frankfurt, a distinctive development featuring 4 towers, bridging the gap between the city's historic center and bustling financial districts. This project aims to unify these distinct areas. The multi-purpose neighborhood incorporates offices, a hotel, and residential apartments, presenting unique challenges for the construction team, particularly concerning the concrete course. Each of the towers strategically diverges from the others, optimizing sunlight and providing panoramic views for the occupants. The diverse functionalities of each structure necessitate a distinct arrangement for toilets, drainage pipes, and columns. However, the construction team has admirably overcome these complexities and remains on track to complete the project by 2023. Number 9. Tren Maya, Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. Since the 1970s, Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula has thrived as a popular tourist destination, particularly with cities like Cancun and Cozumel, capitalizing on their stunning Caribbean coastlines. However, the allure extended beyond the picturesque beaches and azure waters. The peninsula boasts significant Mayan archaeological sites, including the renowned Chichen Itza. Unfortunately, reaching these attractions involves arduous bus journeys along deteriorating roads. To address this, the Tren Maya project is underway, constructing a 1,500-kilometer railway at a cost of $10 billion. This railway will connect major tourist sites with coastal cities and airports, facilitating easier access. While the project has encountered legal disputes and delays due to the contested jungle-covered land, it remains on schedule for a December 2023 opening. The anticipated economic benefits of the train are expected to outweigh concerns about its cost, but the controversy surrounding its construction is likely to persist. Number 10. SeaWorld, Abu Dhabi, UAE. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi, scheduled to open in 2023, will accommodate marine life in a vast artificial ocean spanning 58 million liters. Visitors will have breathtaking views through the endless vista, a multi-level 20-meter high window into the aquarium. Maintaining a suitable environment for discerning marine residents is no simple task. The aquarium carefully regulates the natural light levels to support marine life while preventing algae growth. To construct a tank of such magnitude without the risk of shattering, acrylic is used instead of glass. This material is not only 17 times stronger but also more flexible, allowing it to be molded into various shapes. That's it for today's video. Get fluent, stay fluent by subscribing to our channel for more luxury and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching.